It's recording already.
For real?
Let me see.
Damn. Yeah. So I figured I'd vlog a little bit. Last video you guys saw we went to White Castle. Now we're heading up Citywalk, and there is so much traffic everywhere. Like, this is the less busier side of Universal. We rented right across the street from it, so we're good. We don't gotta pay for parking, just gotta walk maybe half a mile. We got ways to go. And then when we get into Citywalk, we're gonna keep walking. So let's go meet up with Erica. I actually dropped her off so she don't have to bust this mission. The watch is saying 9 minutes from the point that I started timing it, which in reality is a little more. I think it was like maybe 10 or 11 minutes, but this is the main entrance right here where I'm gonna have to go around. So I was actually right over there and turned. But this is super packed. Not this little area here, but it's really packed. So our Universal passes expired in December, I believe. So it's been roughly 6 months since we've been back to Orlando, and it feels good to be back. You know, we had to hold off because of the pandemic, of course. And you know what? We came this weekend. It was supposed to rain, and look at how beautiful and sunny the day is. We're joking with the mask on, but we'll get through it some way, somehow, right? But we're excited to check out the merchandise that they have. I know that new Jurassic Park ride just opened up, so there's going to be a lot of merchandise related to that. And, you know, we're looking forward to seeing anything else we may pick up for our collection. If you guys visit the theme parks often enough, you already know that when you see a store like this one, you walk in and you take your time in here to get that fresh, cold air. What's the first thing you see? Jurassic Park. The new toys, the new mugs, everything is being promoted to basically build up this ride and this experience.
Look, this is the stats of the ride.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to continue to browse the store. I'm not going to talk too much. I want you guys to enjoy this as much as I am. Little Toretto action.
Look at the Avengers stuff.
Huh? $40.
For that?
You're kidding me. Oh, look at the pops.
Oh, how cute. I like this bag.
Little Deadpool action.
Chimichangas.
Good idea, baby. It is time to go cruising. I know y'all seen Captain Phillips. I'm the captain now. That view, so beautiful. So we just arrived to the, what is it, Royal? Oh, here it is. To the Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort. Never been here, have you?
I think when I was a kid with my dad.
Nice little gym for you to work out, get your action in before heading to the parks later in the day, or when you get back from the parks if you want to pose to work out. I don't know. They got a little gift shop, which let me tell you guys, everything here was extremely expensive, super overpriced, but nice to look at nevertheless. We're window shopping right now. Well, look at where we end up. Where do we end up? By the door. Chillaxing. Who uses that word anymore? You know, it looks like it kind of wants to rain. It is so hot. This was definitely necessary. We needed a little pit stop to take a little break. Kind of relax. You know what I mean? Back where we started. Check out the store. The Legacy Store, Universal Studios. It is hot.
It is.
Got that old school 90s swag, you dig?
Look, this is from the movie Jaws.
It's a dinosaur face mask.
This is from the movie.
That's cool.
No idea. I don't know what any of this is. No AC.
That's what I thought, but no.
What's this? This is from
Back to the Future, I think. E.T.
Oh wow.
Bumblebee.
The one that you have to go for this time, no?
Yep.
How big will it get? Huh, I like this.
They got so many Jurassic Park stuff.
Yeah.
Hyping up the ride. John Hammond.
They have a pop. Wow.
It's for real.
$20.
Like Beetlejuice. Right there?
Oh. That's cool.
Fast and Furious. This is a nice shirt.
Yeah, it is.
Wherever you go, I go. If you ride, I ride. If you die, I die. Says nobody.
This is horrible. This is just another sexy bald guy. And this is, I'm with the sexy bald guy.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. This is chocolates.
That's so funny. This one's a towel.
That's a Winnie frog, huh?
Donkey.
Don't say it with the accent.
Hey, Shrek, it's me.
Oh, look.
Why don't you do this for me and take me back home? Here comes the man in black. Ooh, from Harry Potter.
From Hagrid's.
Hagrid's. Oh yeah, they're right. Wow, impressive.
This is the roller coaster that you did.
It's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm very proud of you too. I'm not
It is, isn't it? Oh wow, this would drink a good cold beer.
some butterbeer.
This is you right here, Slytherin.
Why?
What do you mean?
I don't even know.
You okay? You tripped? This is the Terminator. Costume and props used by Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Look at this, how fun. Look at these of Hello Kitty, of Jaws,
Oh my god.
Fast and Furious.
That is too funny.
Look at this Jurassic Park one. I think there's one more. Oh, this one. They're pushing Jurassic Park hard.
Oh, they're pushing Jurassic Park so hard. But it's actually worn. It says it.
So, although we didn't get any Velociraptor merch, we did grab some pins to add to our collection, which I'm still super excited about.
And this beautiful lanyard.
Oh, let's not forget this lanyard. This is to put in your pass here. Oh yeah, this side is really cool.
Yeah, I love this side. Looks really nice.
The web slinger. So here are some of our pins. First up, we got this one, which shows all parks. We've got Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay, and Universal Studios here.
That's the one that you picked, eh?
Yeah, I picked this one out. I liked it because it showed all the theme parks. What's cool about it is that it's 3D.
That like it pops out right here.
Yeah. So, really like this one.
Wait, show my dusty pin. This is my favorite ride.
Yeah, it's his favorite ride. We've got Optimus Prime here. This one is cool because it's also 3D. Let it focus. You see that it bumps out a little bit. And Optimus reaching out for you.
Yeah, this is my favorite ride. If I got the Transformers ride, you know I had to get the Marvel superhero stuff. So I really like how all the heroes are popping out again like the other ones. Like this is in the background. And you can see we have Wolverine, Spider-Man, Captain America, Hulk, some of my favorites.
And then lastly, this is my favorite because this is
This
very
one is cool, very retro.
vintage.
Yeah.
We got King Kong here, Earthquake, Jaws, Frankenstein, Back to the Future, and E.T. up here. And this is what Universal Studios is to me.
But that's what it used to be though, right?
Yeah, it used to be, but this is what I think of when I think of Universal Studios. The new King Kong ride is awesome compared to what it was, but there's something about the nostalgia of it that, you know, I just love. Jaws was my favorite. I remember being terrified on there. Earthquake was so much fun.
I never did none of those.
Ronnie never got to do them. At least we have this pin to kind of commemorate the good old days.
Well, so that's pretty much it. So are you happy with the pins we got?
Yeah, I love them. I think they're a great
Add on to the Disney ones.
Yeah, I think there were some more inexpensive options there, but these were the ones that stuck out to us. All right, everyone, so this is it for our Universal Studios Islands of Adventure and Citywalk extravaganza. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Do you guys have pins? Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you guys even wear lanyards?